Building $1 million portfolio might sound like a distant dream, but it's more achievable than you think. The secret isn't winning the lottery or inheriting wealth. It's understanding the power of compound interest, consistent investing, and time. Today, I'm going to break down the exact steps you need to take to build your first $1 million portfolio, no matter where you're starting from. Before we dive in, if you find this valuable, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our financial tips. Trust me, your future wealthy self will thank you. Let's start with some encouraging numbers. If you invest $500 per month with an average annual return of 10%, which is roughly the historical average of the S&P 500, you'll reach $1 million in about 30 years. Increase that to $1,000 per month, and you're looking at just over 20 years. But here's where it gets interesting. The first 100,000 is the hardest. Once you hit that milestone, your money starts working harder for you. At $100,000, a 10% return gives you $10,000 annually without lifting a finger. That's the magic of compound interest. Einstein allegedly called it the eighth wonder of the world for good reason. Before you invest a single dollar, you need a solid foundation. First, eliminate high-interest debt. Credit cards charging 18% will always outpace market returns. Second, establish an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of expenses. This prevents you from selling investments during emergencies or market downturns. Think of this foundation as your financial immune system. Without it, one unexpected expense or job loss could derail years of progress. Your path to $1 million should run through tax-advantaged accounts. Start with your employer's 401k, especially if they offer matching. That's free money, giving you an immediate 50% to 100% return. Max out Roth IRAs next, where your investments grow tax-free forever. For 2024, you can contribute up to $23,000 to your 401k and $7,000 to your IRA. If you're maxing these out, you're already investing $30,000 annually. At a 10% return, that alone gets you to $1 million in less than 15 years. The tax savings are massive. Over decades, avoiding taxes on growth could save you hundreds of thousands of dollars. Money that stays in your portfolio, compounding. For most people, low-cost index funds are the answer. A simple 3-fund portfolio, U.S. stocks, international stocks, and bonds, provides global diversification at minimal cost. Look for funds with expense ratios below 0.2%. The key is consistency over complexity. Studies show that 90% of actively managed funds underperform the market over 15 years. Stop trying to pick winners or time the market. Instead, invest regularly through dollar-cost averaging, buying the same amount at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This strategy removes emotion from investing. When markets drop, you're buying at a discount. When they rise, your existing investments grow. Here's the truth. You can't invest your way to wealth if you're not making enough or saving enough. Focus on increasing your income through career advancement, side hustles, or skill development. Every raise is an opportunity to increase your investment rate. Aim to save and invest at least 20% of your income, but push for 30% or more if possible. The difference between a 15% and 25% savings rate could be a decade off your timeline to $1 million. The final and most important step: don't quit. Markets will crash, they always do. Your portfolio might drop 30% or more during recessions. This is normal. The investors who reach $1 million are the ones who keep investing through the fear. Remember, you're not investing for today or next year. You're investing for decades from now. Every market downturn is a sale on future wealth. Building $1 million portfolio isn't about luck or secret strategies. It's about starting early, investing consistently, keeping costs low, and staying disciplined through market ups and downs. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Your future millionaire self is waiting. Take the first step now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and drop a comment below telling me where you are on your journey to $1 million. Are you just starting, or are you already halfway there? Let's build wealth together. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.